I'm going through a street here in Staten Island, and I see two pickup construction trucks stopping, one on the right and one on the left, which it made no sense because they closed the traffic. They should have lined up one behind the other. But I was so patient and I waited and waited. I thought, maybe they will be, take it in consideration because I'm driving a truck. So they'll, no, they kept doing whatever they're doing and they took their time. And I stayed patient. I stayed very patient. Two other car, they were able to squeeze in, but very hardly. But because I'm a truck, I couldn't move. So here is to these construction workers, please do not stop traffics, especially in the morning or whenever. You don't have to, but you could have done just on one lane instead of closing the whole street.
Okay.
All right?
I'm so patient, guys.
I'm not a
Come on,
Karen.
let's go.
I'm just very concerned about their behavior. They could have done better. Bless you
You
all
can drive
and
it
be
a little
safe
bit so I
out
can
there.
go through.
Bye bye.
They don't make sense. There's more cars behind me. Uh-oh. How are you gonna get, buddy? Really? Alright, there you go. Yeah, you tiny car. I'm not. I'm a truck. They make no sense, these workers here. Okay, another car coming in. Come on, guys. What are we doing here? Yep. You cannot get through. Now it's time. Okay. He made no sense from the beginning.